Looking for a move-in ready entry-level home in Whitefish Bay? Look no further. I'm Erin Jocelyn with the Weiss Jocelyn team of Coldwell Banker, and I have the home for you. It's our newest listing at 5952 North Lydell Avenue. 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a brand new kitchen. Listed at $369,900, it's the best value in the Bay, and I'm going to show you why. Did I mention there are 4 bedrooms, including this beautiful master suite? 2 full bathrooms. This beautiful brand new kitchen with white shaker cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and butcher block countertops. And I almost forgot, this fabulous private garden and patio. Get in touch with Larry or Erin today to schedule your private showing.